How to fix Gmail storage full not receiving emails on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Drive app. Now log in with the Gmail account in which you are having this issue, storage full. Now click on three bars given at the top left. Navigate to the option of storage. You will be directed to this page. Now in this page you're gonna find the details about your storage. Google Drive has occupied 74 GB, likewise Google Photos 6 GB and Gmail 1 GB. Now click on the option of clean up space. Now from here you are able to free up space. You can delete spam emails, likewise large files, large photos and videos. Once you do that, you will be good to go. You will be receiving emails in your device. So this is how you can easily fix Gmail storage full not receiving emails on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.